Hello friends, welcome to Miracle RV here in beautiful Fort Lupton, Colorado. Today we're going to do a video walkthrough for you on one of our favorite travel trailers on the lot right now. It's a Coachmen Clipper 17 FQS. One of the reasons it's our favorite is because it is so light. You're talking only around 3,300 pounds dry, but it's full featured and equipped with a lot of great options. Let's go take a look at it. So you got your propane tank in the front for your heat and your cooking, spot for your battery. Here at Miracle RV the batteries are included, no additional charge. Love the front window, gets you a lot of light inside. You do have a portable solar plug-in so you can trickle charge those batteries for those longer trips. Nice pass-through storage here under your front bed area. As you can see, there is a big electric awning, giving you a lot of great shade during the day. It is a 12-foot awning. You also have outdoor and indoor Bluetooth stereo system. Nice ride height as well, navigating those Colorado mountain roads. Looking inside, one of the nice features as well, as I said, you're at 3360 dry weight, so very light, easy to tow. Additionally, for something this size, you get a walk-around queen bed. So how nice is that? No more crawling over each other to get to the restroom in the middle of the night. USB chargers right there for your cell phone. Front window, nice cabinetry as well. Lots of great storage. Spinning around here, you can see your control panel, your indoor and outdoor Bluetooth stereo. In the kitchen, you have your sink and 2-burner propane stove, vented range hood, and microwave. Air conditioner, really good size refrigerator with a freezer. You can take ice cream camping with you. Here's your furnace where your hot air comes out. And now this does have a slide, which is great for as light as it is to have this nice slide giving you a dinette or another sleeping area. There is storage underneath those benches. Looking into the bathroom, you can see your toilet. Very good size counter space, vanity, and storage. All of that opens for all of your cosmetics and camping needs. Fan over the bathroom. Nice skylight in the shower, allowing us tall people plenty of room. So looking back at the camper, you can see your refrigerator here on the right, your kitchenette, dinette, and your bed. So everything you need, nothing you don't. Really great value, phenomenal price. We only have one left, so let us know any questions or comments. Well, thank you very much. Again, this is Brandon here at Miracle RV in beautiful Fort Lupton, Colorado. We hope we can earn your business, and we hope you have fun camping. Take care.